Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you all about Seesaw activities. So our activities are specific things your teachers have given you to do in Seesaw. So you'll see that I'm in my Seesaw class, so I have my name, and you'll see that I have my journal, and then you're going to see this light bulb that says activities and this word inbox. So most of you are used to looking at your journal. Maybe you've clicked add to add something to your journal. You may have even gone to activities, but what we're going to talk about today is what if you do an activity and your teacher wants you to fix something or change something? How do you know that your teacher has sent it back? Also, how do I know what I need to do? You're going to see right here, you have the word to do. This means that you have these activities in this area to finish. Okay, you're also going to see this number 3. That 3 tells you that you have 3 things that you need to do. So you're going to see I have 1, 2, 3 things that I need to complete. I'm going to choose this activity right here. Now it's important that I read these directions before I get started, but if you forget, I'm going to show you a way so you can find them later. So it says to click on the link and watch that, and then to click add assignment, and then take pictures of myself. So I'm going to click add response. And I'm going to see my teacher has created a template for me. So it tells me what to do. And remember I said about the instructions? Look right here, it says view instructions. So I can always get back to the instructions on my page, no matter what. If I forget what I'm supposed to be doing, I can just click on them and read them again. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my pictures. And once I have my pictures added, I'm going to go ahead and click this check. Now let's say that I didn't finish. I can use this draft button if I'm using Seesaw for Schools, and it's going to save it for me for later. So I'm going to click the check, and it's going to say it's waiting for teacher approval. And you're going to notice right away that this activities here has a number 2. And in my to-do list, I only see 2 activities. And look, right here, it's now in my done. Okay, so we're back in our journal, and you're going to see now that this is set to a draft. So it no longer says waiting for teacher approval, but it doesn't say that it's been approved either. Okay, so this one down here has been approved. It doesn't have a blue bar waiting or an orange bar that it's been sent back. This one, this orange, means that you need to do something. You're also going to see over here that your inbox number has changed. So you're going to want to check this inbox often. So I'm going to click on my inbox, and I need to click on this word. This word is long. It says notifications. And I'm going to see here that my teacher has sent back my work and that they've commented on my post. So if I click on this, it's going to bring me back to my post to fix. Okay. I can also, if I click on activities, I can see here that it says finish response. And if I go to in progress, I see that I have something that is in progress, which means that I have started it, but I'm not actually done. I see that this is in progress and I need to finish it, but I'm not sure why. So I have a couple of options. I can go to my journal and I can read the comment down here, or if my teacher did it with voice, I can listen to the comment. Or remember I said we showed you how to check your notifications? This one right here says commented, and it's going to bring me to the same thing where I can read the comment. So if your teacher has made any comments, make sure you read them or listen to them before you finish your work. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit. And I'm going to redo this activity following the directions. And remember, the instructions are right here, and this is the part I missed. Take pictures of yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and delete my happy faces and do it again. Okay, so I've got all my pictures of myself, and now I think I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and click this green check, and I'm going to make sure that I am finished. So it says it's waiting. If I go to activities, it says I only have 2, and that this one is in my done folder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe.